Hey. And the prophets are back, and the law it is back, and my Christ he is black, and my God he is black, and the angels are black, and you got to stay focused and do not depart, stay right on the track. Revelation chapter 7 verse 4.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your brother Josiah back with another quick video doing a speaker install. It's like 8 o'clock at night, but doing a quick speaker install. So I just want to go through the small things real quick. So I took my speakers out. They're held by I took my rear speakers out. I'm gonna probably do the rest tomorrow, but they're held by an 8mm bolt. So you want to get an 8mm socket to take off the originals off. That's hooked in, that's screwed into it. So it's an 8mm bolt that you need to get them off, and it's a small space. So obviously you want a smaller wrench and all that good stuff. So I'm trying to make another video in a minute about that one. But yeah, what you want to do to keep it kind of factory like is take these off right here. So I already took mine out the car before I even took these off. Clearly. What you want to do, it's like a little clip-on, like it's attached to this speaker, but it's just a little clip-on. Like right now, when you try to take it off, it will be on here, like slid on there like that. You see the little slide-in part. Try to get it. My tripod's in the car, so damn it, it's a little bit harder. It'll be easier, but yeah, it has a slide in, so it's like a little clip in the middle. Let me focus. Hey, it's a little clip. Damn, dropped it. It's a little clip in the middle. This little clip right here. So when you come to get it, there you go. Yeah, when you come to take it out, you're gonna need a flathead and just pull it up. Where's it at? Yeah, just pull it up. I mean, it's pretty much basic common sense. So just pull it up and it'll slide right off. But make sure you obviously cut these off if you're trying to do this new speaker set. So I have Boss Audio. So I have a Boss 8-inch sub that I already had in there, put in a while ago. I think it's been maybe like 9 months, 10 months. I don't know how long, but I'll have the same setup in my Dart. But my Dart system sounds so good. It sounds better than my system. So I'm not sure. It's stock speakers, but I'm gonna do a sound clip on that, or I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like on that. But it's stock speaker. Well, I'm not gonna show y'all what it looks like, but it's a stock speakers. There's no upgrades to it, but it sounds really good. My shit sound like shit, and I have an aftermarket radio in that car too. My shit sound like shit in my charger. But other than that, yeah, move that clip. You really want to use this because all you gotta do is plug it in. You don't have to do no hard wiring. Right now, I got my solder. I'm soldering the stuff on. But this kit, it's not even a kit. I just ordered the speakers. Why is it? Yeah, I gotta use one. But you have these clips, and then you obviously want to cut the wire. Where's my? Okay, you have the wire. Like, just cut the wire because I'm attaching this to this side. So you slide that on right here. Damn. I need my tripod. It's in the car. I don't feel like grabbing it. That's a little walk because I got to go to the garage and get it. But yeah, you grab it. It slides in. Hear the click. It's not going to come back out unless you move it with the flathead magnet. Goddamn. But yeah. So you want this on here. You don't have to do it the way I'm doing it, but it's easier this way instead of trying to take this off. Because you never know what might happen. You might need this piece again. So just keep that. And obviously you kind of need it to attach these two instead of having to solder it on. Depending on what you're doing. But this is the easiest way for me. Using one goddamn hand. It sucks. I used to do this for my old videos. But yeah. Where's that clip at? Yeah, just move the clip. And see, I don't have my tripod. So goddamn it, you can't even see me. But all I did was move the clip downward and it came out. Because you want to use these. You need these little pieces right here instead of hard wiring it and keep it factory. So all you gotta do is put your speaker wire on this one, and then this side right here. If you see my finger, this side and this side, this side and this side. You want to keep that, just solder these on, and that's it. You hook your rear speakers up, and you're done. You don't got to do anything else. It's always stock. You don't got to worry about the wire breaking or a shortage or whatever like that. So yeah, just solder it to this, and then you good. I'm gonna do the same thing to my front speakers tomorrow. Hopefully, I'm gonna show y'all a video on that too. But I'm gonna end this video real quick, and I'm gonna get it into the car and show y'all. I'm gonna get it into the car and show y'all what it looks like. It says you need a flathead like this. This little one right here. You really ain't got no leverage, so you gotta work with what you got. And this hand tighten them real quick. Let's see, I got them in there. Ah, shit. It's aftermarket, so sometimes it's not the exact fitment. Sometimes. Hopefully y'all can see this. No, I'm not gonna make the video. I'm gonna do a lot of editing. Shit. I might have to leave that one out because it's too much to handle right now. I might just end up leaving that out. Shit harder than what it looks. And I'm only gonna use 3 screws on this because it's so hard to get that back one. But y'all can try to put the 4th one in if y'all want to, but me, I ain't doing that shit because it's 3 screws is good enough anyways. Ain't like it's gonna pop up and anything like that, so. So much easier taking this motherfucker out. I don't know. Let's see, hopefully y'all can see this. Speaker install, Boss Audio. I should have made sure it worked first before I cut off the car. And you can use a longer 8mm socket, so it's 8mm socket. A little bit easier. Got more leverage. Wish I can use my drill bit, but I sure will use it for my door panels. Sounds much better than the stocks, even in the RTs. I've seen a lot of people take out their stock Alpine RTs. Not a lot of people, but I've seen a few videos on YouTube that people take out their stock Alpines or whatever. I'm like, it's always better to go aftermarket. They do it on purpose. We pay fucking 20K, 30K for a fucking car, and it doesn't come with the best shit. Like I was saying, if you watch my previous videos, these cars really aren't worth what they telling you. They're worth way less. Even a fucking Scat Pack Hellcat and all that bullshit. How come the cars back then were fucking... Well, I know back then the price and shit was different, or the economy was different, but still, why a car now is worth 30,000 and shit, and 40, 50K, and they come cheaply made now. Plastic parts. I'm about to have a metal car, or a car like a car that's not gonna ever break, like a Bentley, because it's handcrafted. Even honestly, even Toyota, the engines are handcrafted. I just found out the engines are handcrafted. So those are one of the best engines that you can get. A Toyota engine, they're handcrafted engines. You ain't getting no better than a handcrafted engine. These engines that we see now are made in a fucking factory and shit. But yeah, just times 10 times better. Oh yeah, I wouldn't even try to get that. If you can see me, my hand, I wouldn't try to get this back one in. It's so fucking hard, especially with an aftermarket. It's so hard, but it's pretty much so damn tight to where you don't really need to put it in there. Ooh shit. All right, yeah, it's not moving, you know. I mean, yeah, it's not going to move. I have 3 screws in there already. Definitely not moving. See something. Yeah, I'm not even gonna bother with it. I know y'all can't see me, but I'm finna get ready to put the other one in. Yeah, speaker installed at night. Let me know what y'all think. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, all that good stuff. But I'm still in the midst of doing it. So watch me do the other side. And like I say, I have my Boss. Damn, I can't even see it. My Boss subwoofer, my 8-inch sub to go back here. I always had that since I pretty much had the car. I have it in my Dart also, like I said. Flip that around. Don't leave it like that. Hopefully y'all can see this, man. I'm at like terrible angles because I'm in the damn trunk lid. You kind of can't even put the tripod nowhere good. Thanks. See how I have it wired. The clips on the back, which I mean they're pretty much sealed, tight as hell, so they ain't coming off. And then I have it soldered in the backside, soldered in the back. All you gotta do is plug it in. You ain't gotta do nothing else. Makes it much easier on you instead of cutting wires, cutting the stock clip on. Damn, I dropped that bitch in the inside. And just double check the audio real quick. Make sure it's working. This is an 8mm socket. I think it's too close. 8mm socket. So I got the rear speakers in. Let me know what y'all think. Should I did it a different way or whatever it might be. If y'all can see me, I'm gonna get to the front in a minute. I gotta go back, take them out, and then go back inside. So it's not the same all around. You do need I have a kit. I think I get to. Oh yeah, I had deleted the video. You need to just use a flathead and just pop open the door. It's plain and simple, common sense. You do need a star bit, I believe so. I'm gonna get the size in a second. Oh, that is the size. That's weird. Whatever I pulled is the exact size. You need a 10-20 star bit. A 10-20 star bit. And it's best if you have a drill bit because it's so much faster. So I had to go get mine because I didn't have all my tools out. Held in my phone. Yeah, it says T20 star bit T20. Speaker up. It's a deep ass bass. So this is what it looks like coming out stock. Like I say, you need to take this piece out. It has a clip in the middle, and you use the flathead to take it out. But I'm gonna get to that when I get to back to the house. I'm back inside the house. These speakers are terrible. We paid $15-20K for these cars. This car back then, or back in 2011, 2012, was fucking. What was it? Fucking 22K. You get these stock bullshit ass speakers and everything. Like, you paying so much money for a car, you expect more out of it. Yeah, this is what it looks like. I unplugged this. It hooks into this. Unplug that. It hooks into this, just to make it more easier for the door. You don't gotta take the whole door off. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. I'm not gonna make a video on the other side because it's the same damn thing. You have these pins, and you just say use the flathead just to pop it up. And you have one certain one. Where is it at? You have this one that you have to unscrew from the side. It's like this one right here that you have to unscrew. Other than that, that's it. But yeah, like, subscribe, leave a comment if you really just size something out.
We the real Jews, no we not niggas. Food for thought, that's a hot dinner. If they still sitting, we can't rock with them. Saying we ain't gotta keep the laws. Straight confusion, yeah, a strong delusion. Everybody think they know it all. For you be a teacher, gotta be a student. Most high